In this short video, we'll be looking at the various verb plus ing forms in English. There are actually three ways in which we use the verb plus ing form. The first one is as a main verb, as in when we have a sentence in present progressive or present perfect continuous. We also use the ing form to form adjectives or ing adjectives. And the final way that we use the ing form is as a gerund, which is a kind of noun or noun phrase. So let's take a look at some examples of the ing form used as a main verb. This is probably the most common or the most simple way that we use ing in English. If we look at the first sentence, the student is sleeping in the library, we have the verb phrase in present continuous or present progressive, so we use the ing form there. The same goes for the other three examples. The teachers are grading essays. Both the students and the teachers were working, so you can see we use the ing form here. Another way we use the ing form is as an adjective, or the ing adjectives. We look at the first sentence, the students liked the interesting lecture, so the word interesting, which ends in ing, is describing the lecture, so it's an ing adjective. The second sentence is the same. The sleeping student, sleeping is an ing adjective that describes student. And the final way that we use the ing form in English is for gerunds. So if we look at the very first sentence, sleeping is his favorite hobby. Sleeping is a verb plus ing, but in this case it's used as a noun. We can tell because it's in the subject position of the sentence. She loves sleeping. Sleeping here is the object of the sentence, since the main verb is loves. This ing form is another gerund. When he is in class, he thinks about sleeping. We have sleeping here. It's another gerund. We know that it's a gerund because it takes the place of a noun. Nouns follow prepositions. About is a preposition. He enjoys eating Chinese food. Eating Chinese food here is a gerund phrase or a noun phrase. Eating a big meal makes her happy. So again, we have a phrase here, a noun phrase that starts with a gerund. So those are the three basic ways that we use ing in English.